For this project, I bought a piece of vegetable tan leather and covered it in masking to protect from extra burn. I cut out my pattern with the optic laser cutter and sanded down the edges. I then trimmed off extra hairs with a pair of flush cutters. Then I moved on to painting the edges for an even finish. I hammered on one half of the snap and used the AirPods case to see where I needed to hammer in the other half. I did this part manually for a good snug fit. I finally then got to stitching with some wax thread. I started sanding down where I wanted to reinforce the stitches with glue. I held the glued parts on there for about 40 seconds in place before stitching through the holes. I went through each hole a couple times to reinforce the stitch and then tied it off before moving on to the next section. After this last section was stitched, the whole thing was complete. I later added a keyring to the back loop to hook the AirPods onto a backpack. And now it's on to the next project.